Hello students, welcome to the online class of class 8th. Today we will going to start, today we will going to learn of the math subject of 8th class, chapter number 6, factorization of algebraic expressions. So students, today we will going to construction of a formula a cube plus b cube. For the construction of this formula, we already know the formula a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So students, for the construction of this formula, we will use this formula. So we can construct many types of formula using the earlier formula. If any time you forget some formula, so at that time when you are solving the paper, at that time we can construct the formula and we will solve the examples perfectly. So students, listen carefully. Here we know that this formula, using this formula we will construct the new formula of this. So we will arrange the a cube and b cube, these two terms we will write nearest because we need these terms a cube plus b cube. So a cube and b cube will write near and remaining terms will write after that 3a square b plus 3ab square. So we need a cube plus b cube, these two terms in the left side. So we will arrange all the terms in the left side and we will write the a plus b whole cube in the right side. So we will write here interchanging the signs. Interchanging the sides. So we will write a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. These all the terms we will write left side and we will write a plus b whole cube to the right side. So students, we need these two terms. So a cube plus b cube will write remain same here and will 3a square b plus 3ab square will write to the right side. So a plus b cube is here, so we will write a plus b and in second bracket a plus b whole square, because meaning of a plus b and a plus b whole square is the a plus b whole cube, the value doesn't change here. We can write from the factorization to get the formula of this, and this remaining terms we will write that side. So students, listen carefully. Whenever we change some terms from this side to this side, some terms we will change the sign. Here it is plus sign, we will write minus in this side. Here it is also plus, we will write minus to the right side. So we will write minus 3a square b is here and plus is here, so we will write minus to that side 3ab square. So students, next step what we will do here, we will solve a plus b whole square. We know the formula a plus b whole square. What is the formula a plus b? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So we will write a plus b as it is and a plus b whole square will write a square plus 2ab plus b square, and we will close this bracket as the first term. In the second term, minus is here, we will take common term 3a and b. Here also 3ab. So we will take 3ab as the common term. So we will write 3ab and remaining terms we will write in a bracket. So what are the remaining terms? 3 is here, a is here, out of a square a is here and remains a is here. Listen carefully. Whenever there is a minus sign and take some terms out of the bracket, the sign minus will get into the plus. So here we take carefully, and remaining term is, the second term is b here, so you write b here. So this is very carefully step we have to write. Now in the next step, what we'll do here? This bracket we consider as the first term and this is the second term. Minus is here. So from this term and from this term we will take common a plus b. We see that a plus b is here and a plus b here. So we will write a plus b as a common term in a bracket. So we will write a plus b and remaining terms we will write in the another bracket. A square plus 2ab. So we will write a square plus 2ab plus b square, and next term is minus 3ab. This close the bracket. Now we will see that any like term is there. So if there is a like term, we will subtract or add the like terms. We know that. So in the next step, left side is a cube plus b cube, and the right side we will get a plus b in first bracket, and second bracket a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we will notice that 2ab minus 3ab. Which term we will get? 2ab plus minus 2ab minus 3ab. We will get minus 1ab. So we will write here minus 1ab means we doesn't write minus 1. We will write only minus ab. We can't write ab 1 because we consider when there is a ab term, 1 is here. And last term is here plus b square. So we can't do anything in the next step. So we consider that a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b in first bracket and a square minus ab plus b square in second bracket. This is the formula of a cube plus b cube. In this way we can construct the another formula a cube minus b cube using the previous formula. In this way we can construct the many types of formulae. Whenever we forgot some formula in the exam, so we construct the formula at that time and we will solve the belonging problems. So homework for you, I will give the example using this formula. So students, you have to solve at home this example.